How to convert BTC to USDT on Bybit mobile app. The very first thing, you want to make sure that the application Bybit is already installed on a device. If not, you can head over to your app store and install it. Once the application has been installed on a device, open it. Enter your correct login credentials and then sign in to your specific account. Once you have been signed in, it will land you on this page. Now head over to Assets at the bottom right corner. And then over here, head over to Convert. It will redirect you to this page. You will find two sections over here. One is From and the other is To. In the From section, you have to enter BTC Bitcoin. If it is not already there, then click on it and then search for BTC. Also, you have to make sure that you have selected funding account. Once you have selected BTC, enter USDT in To. In the BTC section, enter the amount that you want to convert and then click on Quote. If you have sufficient balance, then your BTC Bitcoin will be successfully converted to USDT and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was a tutorial on how to convert BTC to USDT on Bybit. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.